Hi, everybody. This week you're going to cover a couple of concepts that are really important this semester, but are also going to be important in the future. The first of those concepts is calculating slope, and slope shows up as a major component of calculus. And it is also a part of statistics. So those of you that are going forward to calculus or business calculus will see a lot of slope. And those of you that are moving forward to statistics, it's a part of regression. And so a basic understanding of what it is that we're doing when we calculate slope and what slope represents will actually help you quite a bit. You'll also look this week at writing the equations of lines, and that can be done one of two ways. One is through slope-intercept form. The other is through point-slope form. They're different, and they each have value in different situations. And so I would encourage you to make sure that you understand both and can do both effectively. One thing with parallel and perpendicular lines, drawing a picture is not enough. You have to look at the slope, and the slopes need to have a specific relationship. So, go into the parallel and perpendicular lines module or page and take a look at the information about slope and how we go about using slope to determine whether lines are parallel or perpendicular, okay? And so there's some examples here. Also remember, I want to meet with each person. It does not have to be face-to-face. I'm happy to meet with you through Zoom. To schedule an appointment, you can go into the calendar page. And then as you go into the calendar, you can scroll down to next week and see each of the appointments that I have available. This is 3% of your grade, and it's 3% of free points. All you have to do is sign up and meet with me. They're 10-minute meetings. They're relatively straightforward and easy. I just want to make sure that you're feeling okay with the class and everything is going well. If those times on Tuesday the 18th, Thursday the 20th, or Tuesday the 25th, if none of those times work, send me an email. I'm happy to meet with you over Zoom. I've already met with a couple of people that way, and I'm happy to meet with you anytime. So I can meet with you in the evenings, I can meet with you on weekends. Just send me an email so that we can schedule that appointment.